Oh, what's going on, y'all? I was just checking in with again, doing an analysis on Great British Crown, USD, foreign exchange pair. We already had this thing pretty much marked up, so we know it's not going to take much analysis to go. We can look at this is a 6-hour chart I'm looking at. Let's take a look at the higher time frame. So we know we was up in the bull run since last year, April. Right now we got a very strong pullback. That's happening right now. Y'all see we got a level of support there on this level here. So it's about to reach a level of support. Go to the smaller time frame, to the hour chart. A lot of swings on this thing. Ready to catch up, ready to catch up. A lot of swings on this thing, but it will continue to push down all the way down to 36.11. So we're looking at how many pips that is. We got 89 plus another 75. Yeah, it's quite a few pips. Quite a few pips. So looking at over 150 pips. Move that's more than likely is going to happen over the next week or so. So beware, guys. This thing is moving down. That's what's happening, guys. How did you check it out?